Here's how I use a bull put spread to collect income every single month with high probability. We can see that this stock Nvidia is going all the way up. However, I do not want to chase the stock. Instead, I will do a bull put spread on Nvidia. What this means is I'll sell $1,000 put on Nvidia, collecting $813. If you look at the chart here, the price now is $1,139. A 1,000 put is all the way here. If Nvidia's share price doesn't go down to $1,000, I will keep the full $800. However, if Nvidia's price does go down, I'm obliged to purchase 100 of Nvidia shares. This means I need to have $113,000. If I do not have that much, what I'll do is I'll do a bull put spread. Meaning to say, from the $800 of premium I collect, I will use that money and take $698 to purchase a 990 put. So this is what it looks like on the chart. If the share price goes up and above $1,000, I get to keep the premium. And the premium in total is $115, giving me an additional income every single month. And in event if Nvidia's price crash and goes down, I do not need to purchase 100 of Nvidia shares because I bought a put. This protects me from the downside and my maximum loss is $885. The risk to reward ratio may not seem to make sense because I'm collecting $115 in income, but I have a potential loss of $885. But this trade may still make sense because the probability of winning is 87%. Based on the standard deviation of Nvidia, you can see for the price to hit below $1,000, there's only a 13% chance. If you are interested to learn more about options, follow this channel and click on the link for more free resources.